So today in this video we talk about the Bragg equation. So Bragg equation says that this is our crystal layers. For example, we have a crystal layer, and we throw a beam of X-rays on the on the crystal. We saw that we seen that some of the X-rays are reflected at the first layer of the crystal. Okay, this is the reflected, and we saw that some is absorbed and the second layer of crystal and then reflected, and some is third layer. So what we understand, for example, we have a layer of crystal. Okay, this is the crystal, and when we apply a beam of light, so first light of X-ray we reflected in first layer, and second X-ray beam is absorbed but reflected in second, third is absorbed in first second layer, and then reflected by third layer. Okay, so this is the overall Bragg equation concept. So the Bragg says that the first is reflected from the first layer, second is second layer, third is third layer. Okay, so now this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray of X-ray, the angle is become same. Okay, suppose we suppose that this of wavelength of lambda, say this is the our del, and this is also del. Okay, for example, a complete wavelength become L plus of nm, which is difference in path. Okay, this is the path difference of the ray. Okay, so this is the path difference. Suppose delta L plus of nm. Okay, so so we know that this is the wavelength of it beam. Okay, so this wavelength is n lambda, means we use the n one beam of light, but this is the multiple beam. They we know, means we throw the beam of light, so this is the multiples and not be 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the overall Lm plus Nm is n lambda, the first difference, second difference, this is the second order difference, third order difference, this is the overall, means the multiple of lambda wavelength. Okay, now in the triangle OLM N and OMN, we see that this and this are equal. You know that this is the congruent, this is equal, so L is equal to M. So this overall 2NL, yeah, NM, which is n of lambda. So now in the triangle O, you see clearly OLN, sine of theta become this is become perpendicular hypotenuse. So this is the suppose NN, this is D, overall get N upon D, and lambda become 2D sine theta. So overall Bragg equation is n lambda into 2D sine of theta, known as Bragg equation. Okay, the simple meaning of it is that the angle between two layers and the distance of two layers is equal to the wavelength of lambda. This is the overall equation. Angle of reflection, and the theta with the angle reflection, and this reflection, sorry, my mistake. Okay, so this is the overall known as Bragg equation. I hope you understand. In next video we use simple experiment regarding the Bragg equations, which is done by Bragg. Okay, I hope you understand. Like and subscribe if you understand.